In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Outlook installation on a Windows PC. Suppose you've initiated the Outlook installation process, intentionally or not, and now you need to halt it for any reason. It might be due to a change of plans, a mistake, or simply a decision to delay the installation until later. This guide will walk you through stopping the installation process quickly and effectively. First and foremost, when you're in the middle of installing Microsoft Outlook through the Microsoft Office installer, and you decide that it's not the right time to proceed, you can easily pause this operation directly from the installer interface itself. So let's go over the steps to do just that. Take a look at your screen and locate the Microsoft Office or Outlook installer window that's currently open. You should see a couple of buttons here. One of them will be clearly labeled Cancel. This is your go-to option if you're looking to abort the installation process altogether. Give it a click with your mouse, and instantly, the installer will begin to wind down the process, effectively stopping any further download or installation actions for Outlook. Alternatively, you may find a more universal symbol, which many of us recognize, the Close button, commonly represented by an X in the top right corner of the window. This button serves the same purpose as the Cancel button in this scenario. Clicking the X will close the installer window, effectively stopping the installation process in its tracks, so you need not worry about it proceeding any further. Both of these actions, whether it's clicking Cancel or the Close icon, serve to halt the process immediately and require no technical skills or adjustments in your system settings. This simplicity ensures that anyone can manage their installations effectively without any undue hassle. Once you've taken these actions, you can rest assured that the installer won't continue, and Outlook won't be installed on your PC until you decide you're ready to go through the process once more. Should you decide to revisit this decision and install Outlook at another time, you simply need to initiate the setup once again from the beginning. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to maintain control over your software installations easily and efficiently, preventing any unwanted programs from clogging up your system without your express permission. This way, your computer remains tailored to your needs, ensuring it operates precisely the way you want it. That covers how to stop the Outlook installation on a Windows PC. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If you need further assistance with other Microsoft Office tasks, feel free to explore other guides. Have a great day.